Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and we have loved the taste of this Himalayan coarse grain salt. And I especially enjoyed the versatility of using it whole or of being able to grind it in my salt grinder to get more fine results. The container is really convenient because it has a shaker on one side and on the other side for pouring, depending on how I'm going to use it. If I'm shaking it on food, the shaker side is ideal. And then when I'm just filling my salt grinder mill, I use the pouring side. The large 39-ounce size is really nice because I like to have it on hand. And if I run out of salt in my shaker, I can just easily refill it. And I love to cook with it and season my food like meats, salads, or eggs. My family has really loved the flavor of this Himalayan coarse grain salt. And that's our point of view.